Just woke up. Don't mind my magodas. Don't mind them. I can't believe I'm actually starting this vlog like this. It was meant to be beautiful, But hi guys, welcome back to Mashi's channel. Guys, don't mind my face as well. It's just been a lot. You can tell by my hair and the face. But yeah, I'm home and today is 28 December 2025. I'm just here to catch up with you guys on some few things that I think you guys are left on hanging. Basically, I'm getting married. So I wasn't playing good day, guys. Just wanted to get inside the house. I am getting married. So the guy sent a letter like 2 weeks back in my house. So I gave it to my mom's and then they agree on the date. And then they're going to pay the bride price. I'm sorry to be whispering, but that's just that because people are still sleeping in this house. It's 5 o'clock chart. I just woke up and I was like, let me talk to my people because when was the last time we did it? So that's what's up. So people are coming on the 4th. This is basically like a preparation video. I think I'm gonna mix it together, but if it's too long, I'm just gonna cut it part 1 and part 2. So yeah, that's what's up. Yeah, people are gonna be coming to pay the lobola, and this is the start of the lobola series. Guys, so Christmas. On Christmas Day, it was nice. It was perfect. Shame, it must be nice being home, but the only thing that worries me is that I haven't had time to go see Ugogo down there because I wanted to see her and acknowledge her as well on this journey that I'm taking. So I wanted to see her and tell her what is happening. But obviously she's currently not hearing anything or, there by the graveyard, but just, letting her know. So yeah, let's just start the series. Today is a Monday. Today is a Monday. I'll go tomorrow because today, but so I was like, no, I'm not gonna put myself in that. So I'll be doing the prayers, the cooking, the singing, and everything. I can't wait for everything. I've deleted all the apps on my phone because I want to keep as much footage as I can. I need to document this day, the preps and everything. So yeah, welcome to a series of me becoming Mrs. M. Oh, you guys are gonna have to see my boyfriend as well. I'm still gonna consult about that. Anyways, I did gel. I did gel my nails. I don't know if you can see them. They're a week old now, so they kind of peeling off like because I'm currently at home and I'm using a lot of water to wash the dishes, bath the kids. so I'm using a lot of water, and I did my toes as well. So yeah, man, welcome to the series. I'm super excited, and I'm so happy to be sharing this journey with you guys, but most importantly, documenting this journey for myself, to just look back where I come from. So yeah, man, just received a text from my dad. I texted him around 10. So yeah, but anyways, enjoy, guys. I don't know if I'm gonna be getting up with you or not. I don't know how this business is gonna be busy. I don't know how busy this week is gonna be, because the Lobola is literally next week. So today is Monday, it's on Sunday, so we've like few days. So we'll come to the preps, we'll come to the Lobola preps, and everything in between. Yeah, I want to scream so bad, but okay. But I'm as well in the so I love you guys so much.
shwele kubaba inhloso kungawe bathi bazokhanda isihloko esihle embuzweni ingabe ubaba uyofika umfana ekhaya wathi uzoletha iy'nkomo zikababa
manje-ke engathi-ke iy'nhliziyo zethu singahle yiy'mfise lapho sikhathe sonke lokhu kwenzekayo kwenziwa lezi ngane zombili ngiyayazi leyalaykhaya ngiyazi sikuthathe umsebenzi omkhulu kabi lo kaNkulunkulu ngomthetho umsebenzi kaNkulunkulu omkhulu awenza awukhuluma mhla edala abantu ukuthi kuyofika lesi sikhathi bezwana bezonana lento wayibeka kuNkulunkulu indlela okuhlonipheke ngayo zanani nanje nigcwalisa umhlaba. Umshado ngokomthetho uyinto engcwele, inkonzo engcwele. Kubizwa ngalokho kudingeka kube khona imishado emhlophe engcwele ngoba uNkulunkulu wayazi ukuthi uSathane uzolwisana nemishado. Manje-ke ngifike ngicela ukuthi kusuka phansi kuphendwe lo mlilo esobe uphembeka kusasa. uNkulunkulu akusingaphela ngezakhe izandla ngoba uSathane akawufuni. uSathane usadala indlela enqamlelayo ukuthi abantu abajike befane ney'mbuzi zona ey'hlangana nje ehlathini bese kuqhamuka iy'ngane amazinyane. Nabantu kusethe nje uSathane wasifaka kuleyo mpilo. Sibhekile manje ngesimanga sikaSathane iyona nkonzo engcwele uNkulunkulu. Manje uSathane-ke ulwisana naye ngendlela emangazayo. Wehlula ngisho uSathane ngisho abantu bangamalungu ebandleni bobabili, kodwa bese kuba khona imikhuba apha inkonzo yakho. Noma ingane yentombazane izalwa umdala nomfana uzalwa umdala, uvele uSathane ethi mina sebenzani eyami indlela, mina ngishadisa ngalolu hlobo, umabambezela lo, mina nginqamlelekani umshado wokuqala manje ngoshintile sengiwenze waba umntwana, hhayi ukuthi umntwana atholakale ngemva komshado. Imfundiso kaSathane atholakale sekushadiwe njalo ngaphambi komshado, indlela kaSathane. Hhayi-ke anginqamleleke, ngicela ukuthi sonke nje basendlini iy'nhliziyo zethu zisibonga ukuba khona ngeSabatha. uNkulunkulu asivakashele simzwile futhumele eSabatheni. uNkulunkulu usiphefumezile kakhulu. And then-ke nale yami inkonzo engiyibika eyicela ukuthi ngiyishuthele enkonzweni yemihla ngemihla. Amen. Ebese kuze wakhathi abazali bakho beze bekhulule benikeza abafundisi hambisani-ke nako okuyintando kaNkulunkulu ukuthi abantu beshade. Ngiyacela ukuthi uma bekhona abangaphonsa amanzi bengisize bengiphonsa amanzi abheke esithandweni nabo uNkulunkulu kahle umshiye ngaphandle uma sifaka. Amen.
Amen.
Abekho.
Amen.
Siyabonga ukuthola inkonzo yokuvala iSabatha, imfundiso esesivulele yona yavane yafaneleka ukuthi sikhulume ngalolu daba lobuhlobo. Ubuhlobo buyanconywa-ke ngoba ubuhlobo kufanele nazane unganyathelana amakhono akalula. Kusho ukuthi lobu buhlobo buzobe buqala kusasa kuwubuhlobo esobe sibhekene ngamehlo, sifundana futhi sazana ukuthi singubani. Ngenxa kaThando-ke yena othandile ukuthi kube khona lobu buhlobo. Yingakho ngithi kufanele ukuthi sinyathele kahle, sifundane, sazane, siphoqelekile-ke njengomndeni wakwaShangase ukuthi lobu buhlobo sibuqalayo sibuqale kahle. Baba besishilo ukuthi lobu buhlobo sibuqalayo sibuqala nge-foundation kaNkulunkulu. Ngoba uNkulunkulu uzosihambela phambili kuzo zonke izimo ezizoba khona empilweni kaThando wazoyithatha. Thando-ke ukhuliswe ngenkolo, inkolo ethi uNkulunkulu kuphela. Akukho lapho esibuqa khona kodwa sibuqa kuNkulunkulu kuphela. Ngakho-ke Thando sithi-ke njengoba-ke ukhetha lolu hambo ozoluhamba Thando, ulikhethe uhamba noNkulunkulu. Funda-ke manje Thando ukuthi-ke yonke indlela ozobe uyihamba, noma ngabe uhamba esigodini sethuzi lokufa, kodwa uNkulunkulu uzobe nawe. Engifisa-ke ukukusho-ke Thando ukuthi umkhulu sesheshe wayesho lento kanti besizoyenza kahle. Sisize-ke Thando njengoba umkhwenyana wethu sizoqala ukumazi. Ungasitsheli ububi bukamkhwenyana uzotshela thina. Ukuthi umkhwenyana wakhe esengenza ukuthi nokuthi. Ngoba wena unethuba lokuthi uphinde uxoxe naye umkhwenyana ngoba nina niyathandana nizoxolelana. Thina ngeke sixolelane, sizomzonga. Thando uma ngabe kukhona-ke into ofuna ukuyisho ngomkhwenyana, isho ngale kwabakubo. Ngoba abakubo bazokwazi ukumkhuza. Thina ngeke sikwazi ukumkhuza. Thina nje solokhu samzonga. Ngakho ngithi kuwe unqande okuyothi uma uhluthekela inhliziyo bese uthatha ucingo ufonele odadewenu nabafowenu ufonele nani. Ungakwenzi lokho Thando. Qala uyobika ngale kuqala. Asisho ukuthi kodwa uma ngabe sekufika esikhathini esinzima ukusibikela. Wena uyokusitshela ukuthi ngiqale ngatshela ubaba ubani, ngiqale ngatshela nomama.
Salad. Yes. I know I look crazy, but I just wanted to do like a quick update before things get even crazier. Understand? I want to do like a quick update. I don't know why I'm whispering. Okay, so preparations are going underway. Today is the 4th of January, the official Lobola day. I'm carrying my lips are even ashy. Luckily there's Vaseline, so that's cute. Okay guys, the preparations have started. As you've already seen, and then yesterday we did a little bit of oba and everything, the menu, Sanupama Ugeza. I'm just thingy my wig that I'm gonna be wearing. I haven't installed. My sister was gonna do it for me, but then between the base Kati, she hasn't been able to she hasn't been able to get time to do it for me, yabo. Sorry about that. So yeah, so I'll be showing everything that will be happening today from Bona Befika. I don't know where I will be, where am I supposed to go, but hopefully guidance. Yeah. And then I'm gonna show you the dress. It's behind me. I'm gonna show you the dress when I obviously worn it. So yeah, I mean, but besides, more than anything, yeah, I'm excited. Coming to see my bed. I didn't care about all this stuff that I gotta be happening here. Just wanna see my man. I haven't seen him in a week and I feel like I'm going crazy. But you know what, again, that's my best friend. I think he's doing all of this because he's my best friend, and you just can't help but live without your best friend, right? So yeah, so I'm just giving it a little bit of life. This is the oil that I'm using to give it like that life. So yeah, let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Oh yeah. Okay, now. Yeah, what's it? Oh, hey. I can't this phone. And me can do. I bought phone. I shall put your phone. So.
Oh man, yeah, was charged with that. My which is the jail. I so number 3. Yes. 1, 2. Awumthinte lapha. Lo number 3. Yeah. Akakambuleke sibone ukuthi. Wakhala. Hayi mbuki ngoku. Awuqalaze ngalana. Oh, ngaphela. Nithi uye. Uyeni be. Hayi sengembula nani mantombazana ngoba umsolo usevelile umsolo.
What's that?
You look so good.
to show you my outfits. Are you washing? Did you see this? Kanjani? Ngiyaqeda. Ngiyaqeda vele. Benyusa water. Lidlule shambisile mhlambe ezokubuza into ilokho.
Lela mandende, lela mandende, lela mandende. Titio, lela mandende.
What will be the outcome? Will they accept them or not? But I'm in my, and I'm just alone in this room, and I just want to take a nap because I slept around 3 and woke up around 6. So
Ikhethe yena, mama ngikhethe yena.
Wobonga ngani auntie hayi bafethu ngeke thanda ungifuna yes hey kodwa ke 9 months no pain.
Vale.
Yeah, do it slow. Don't be fast.
yazona ufana le ntombi
Usabeka amanzi.
The wig is off, as you can see, being namatsari lula, and the lashes are off as well, but the makeup is still all thanks to my sister. So guys, we've come to the end of this vlog. Hope you guys enjoyed this vlog, and it's me becoming, and oh man, it's been such a roller coaster. I've been stressing a lot. I haven't been sleeping for days. Now I can get some rest because now it's all done, and I'm gonna need to rest and just chill. So I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. I'll see you guys in my next vlog.
Wow.